Hello, welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at end and if error function. How does not function work in Excel? Not function turn true to false and false to true in Excel. So you can apply that when you are looking at two things. One, if the value of what you're looking at will be false at the end of the day, then initially that very thing will be true. So in not function, automatically it will turn it to true. If it was false before, in not function it will be true. And if it was true before, in not function it will be false. Let's just look at how it works. So it only works with true and false logical test. So for example, I have a data here, sample 1. I have true, I have false. So if I come here and say equal to not, then put the cell reference and hit enter, automatically I turn it to false. And if I come here and say equal to not and put false, automatically I turn it to true. What if I try this? I put 1 here and I put 0 here, and I come here, it's equal to not, and then click on this. See now, it turned it to false. And if I put equal to not and then put this one, so now do you see the difference now? So automatically, I told you the other day that in Excel or in computer, true is seen as always seen as 1, while 0 is seen as false. So now not function works the same way as this logical test. Here we are having true, and not is telling you that it's not true. So when it is true, it's not true, so it's false. And when it is false, it's true. Likewise here, when it is true, it's what? False. And when it is false, it's what? True. These are not function work in Excel. So in your own data, when you are using not function, you must understand how you want to evaluate your data before using not function in your data. All right, let's go to the second one, if error function. If error function returns the value if the expression is an error and the value of the expression is same, otherwise it will not return anything. So for example, now you are using Excel. For example, you're using Excel, you type something and you are expecting a result, and at the end of the day you just see error message. For example, in this very cell C31, this cell here, if you look at, we're having hashtag n/a. This is an error function, that is error message telling you that what you just did there is not correct. So I have error message indicating here that there's a problem with your formula. I just purposely put that in to show you how to handle if error function. And if error function is widely used in VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, index functions. So now, how can I just come out here now and work with this if error? Very simple. The syntax is here, if error, then the value that you are looking for. Else, if the value is not there, just give me one thing. I don't want to see this error. So when I don't want to see this error, I will not put the value here. All right, so I'll put equal to if error, okay, then brackets. This is what I'm looking for. If this is not here, sorry, comma, if that is not there, just give me not found. Simple. I close it. So now I'm having faithful media. If I change here to bright, okay, I'm having something there. You see now it's changing. Anything I put there, it should be giving me the result. But in case I come to where I don't have anything, for example here, all right, let me just drag it down to this side. Okay, now it's looking at the left hand side and giving me anything that's there. So I have 300, have 300 here, have true here, have false here. Now something's supposed to be here, but that thing is not there, so not found. Understand? This is how you can make use of not function in Excel. Very simple. So I mean, if error function in Excel, so it is widely used in lookup function, so that you won't be seeing unnecessary messages like this. For example, you are making use of a white data, and maybe people will not understand when somebody without any knowledge of Excel come and look at their work, may not understand what this means. But now, instead of the person not to see this, then this should be there. It can be anything, not available, invalid. You can put anything to replace it. Instead of error message, then you get not found, try again, come back later. Such ways can be used to replace this error. That is the main function of if error function. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment. Have any question you want to ask, drop it in the comment box and we'll discuss it together.